No, what's going on, man?
What's up, brother?
What are you doing there?
Jumping out of a fucking plane.
Yeah, man. First one?
Hell yeah.
How long you been waiting?
Whole life.
Your whole life. Good answer. You look like you're ready to go. Let's get out there.
Yeah.
You got it done, man.
Hell yeah.
How do you feel?
Unbelievable.
What was your favorite part of that whole thing?
Right when we fell out.
Right out the door?
Absolutely.
Cool, you do it again?
Absolutely.
All right, man, that's what I wanted to hear. Congratulations on your first skydive.
Thanks, brother.
See you next time.
Sounds good.